Hey web geeks, today I'll show you how to set up a storage VPS on DartNode so that you can host your large volume data or files. So let's get started. Go to DartNode, hover to cloud hosting and select storage VPS hosting. You can choose your storage plan. They have up to 32 terabyte HDD storage with 450 gigabyte of SSD. We will choose VPS1 for starters, and you can claim your discount for this month. Set up your host name. Let's say webshanks.org. We will choose Alma Linux. Okay, let's choose the latest. Okay, click continue. If you want to protect your server from DDoS attacks, select enable DDoS protection. And if you want to back up your VPS with cloud, you can choose enable cloud backups, but I don't need it for now. And you can add a block storage for this. You can customize this actually. And for IPv4, you can add an IPv4 as well as IPv6. And I'll just click continue. I don't want to add anything about on this part. I'll click continue. And if you have an account on DartNode, you can just click login, or if not, just fill up this form. So I have already um, created an account on DartNode, so I'll just click login. Okay, so now you'll just click order now so that you can proceed to payment method. They accept PayPal, debit card, cryptocurrencies, and other forms of payment like Alipay. So I will just skip this one because this is a straightforward process. So once you have once you have paid your VPS, wait for the confirmation email to see that your VPS is ready. Now I will just click. I will just go to my dashboard and see if my storage VPS is ready. Okay, so I am here on my DartNode dashboard and my VPS is already up, and you can check your IPv4 for potential blacklist. I always check my IP. Okay, let's check our IP, and we have a clean IP. Now let's go back to our VPS, and you can see here that you have a 10 gigabyte of storage, but you will go to storage, block storage, and you can see your storage, which has 1 terabyte of HDD storage, and it is attached to my VPS. So you can just manage this one. If you have multiple VPS, you can click manage so that you can attach your storage VPS, or rather storage HDD. Okay, you can just click here and you can also detach this one. So let's go back to my services. Okay, let's connect to our VPS. Okay, so I will be using Bitwise. It's free. Okay, let's copy my IP. So I'll just put here my IP beside host. Use port 22. Your username start with root. And okay, I'll just copy my password here. Click login. accept and save. Just paste this one. And let's go to new terminal console. Okay, so now let's check our block storage. So let's go to lsblk. Oh, sorry, it will be ls. Okay, so now we have a 10 gigabyte of our ssd, and we have our 1 terabyte of HDD from our block storage. Okay, let's format and mount our HDD block storage. So let's sudo fdisk. It will be dev. That will be sdb. Okay, let's type n for new partition. So this will be p for default, and let's choose 1. Let's hit enter and enter. So we have created a new partition, and let's close this with W. Okay, let's check our partition. This will be SDB1. Okay, great. Now let's format this. Sudo mkfs.ext4 with dev sdb1. Okay, now let's create a mount directory. Let's make a directory. Okay, directory -p mnt. So let's say block storage, and let's mount the partition. SDB1 space mnt block storage. Now we have a usable block storage. Next, we will make it persistent across reboots. We will go to fs tab. So we will add a line at the bottom. Okay, this will be dev sb1 space mount mnc block storage ext4 defaults. That will be 0 and 2. So okay, all good. Okay, sorry about that. This will be sdb1. So I'll just Control X. Let's save this one. Choose Y and hit enter. Now we are done. We have now a functional block storage in DartNode. If you want to unmount this, just sudo unmount. Okay, unmount mnc block storage, and just delete the line that we have created on fs tab. So that's it. This is how you will set up DartNode Storage VPS and create a mountable partition using the steps I have provided. And if you have any questions, just ask them on the comment section down below. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.